Kat bakari borok kawai kadang rakhe ya kasikha ke basis pak san pusau jong Swami Vivekananda deki program ki baharukom sisngi swa jong kani kejing rakhe kata khatwai terek menta kola lingkon kawai ne kiriu pakmat jong kajat benreu Bengali Kamala Vika Bisharat ke basong basa Halaban Shillong kalawan syakmat bandawan ke sarkar ban penkala yang pensak nam no ya ke yeng ke bau Swami Vivekananda lawan teng hakani kanong ba Shillong house nam ka kandai spa iwe kani kalong kami kala penpau ya kani kejing dawa lengba kejing kendo pat kinong patai kubor Shillong Press Club Kamal Vika Bisharat kalayato khana klingkot sapang kejingwan Swami Vivekananda sekani kanong ba Shillong hapadang ubnaya yong bat jemang house nam ka kandai spa iwe hakaba ula punut por hangni kumba arpos ngi ai bat hakani ka por ka Shillong kanang dai kanong ba jong jala Assam hakani ka por ya kani ka jaka bat ka yeng ka balasa de Swami Vivekananda lalong try the way Bengali baltip kerte kum Kailas Chandra Das Handai menta kani kejaka kadan hapadang kejinya kani hapadang ki ad yang mamla. Kumba kalong hadu menta kani ki yeng kebalasa teng do Swami Vivekananda kadang dan hadu menta handai kelajat rathai bat umau nong rem ubalatai ban pensa kan mau yong ni riu krau ru udang don. Handai ke jinglong jingman jong kani kejaka kalong klau. Kumta na kaliang kani kelong kami kala ajing mut banalor ke jingkan mau buram ya kasikha jong ni riu krau kari. Kumta na kaliang kani kelong kami kala ajing mut banalor ke jingkan mau buram ya kasikha jong ni krau perkhat kari. Kejing sumari kani kejaka ban persak nam yo Swami Vivekananda ru ne ban penkalai ka syaka heritage site kalong kabaran kam bat kisamla kidan kebenta ke bakrau ban yakon halor kani Kamal Vika Bisharat kala ongru ban nakalyang jongka kala persang ban penpau yakani siki bor sarkar jala bat chak sarkar pedeng ru kumjo menta lakatu kan isnam handai hadu menta ompat yo jingtep halor ka rai jungki
I have given the proposals that there is religious center in Langkra. Cultural center VCC is there, but they can make it tourism center like Kanyakumari, Vivekananda's meditation hall, his lifetime photographs, like that. Or they can make it as they think, no, like that. And during that period, 150th anniversary, they accepted my proposals, but it was pending. For the funds. Funds were not there in the Ministry of Culture. They informed me that funds are, and after that it is over. The 150th birth anniversary period is over, and again I approached to our local MLA Sambas Surai sir, and last January 2016, Governor sir, Chief Minister sir, everybody I have given my letter to save the land, to protect the land, and also to the Ramakrishna Mission I have given so many letters. And now this August I came to one day Secretary Ramakrishna Mission Shillong, he informed me over telephone that he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he visited Governor House, Shillong, no? And during his visit to Governor House, he went there, he met there with the Prime Minister, and he requested the Prime Minister to save the land as a heritage site.